In this video, I'm going to show you how to use private browsing on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. So let's get started. For the first step, you will need the password of the parental controls on your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls, then go to Settings and tap on Screen Time. From here, just tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, if Content and Privacy Restrictions is enabled on your iPhone, then go to App Store Media, Web and Games. Now, under the Web Content section, just tap on Web Content. Now, under the Web Content section, just select Unrestricted. Now, after you do that, then go to your home screen, then open the Safari web browser. Now, to open the private browsing section, just open the tabs icon over here, and on this page, just tap on Private. Now, once you select the private section, just tap on the plus icon to open a new tab in the private browsing section. And after you do that, you will open private browsing on your iPhone. Now, whatever activity you will do on this tab, your data will not be saved in your history or in your autofill information. Basically, if you close this tab, your search data will be removed from your iPhone. Now, if you want to use two private browsing tabs at the same time, just tap on the tabs icon over here, and under the private section, just open a new tab. And by doing that, you will open two tabs at the same time. Now, once you're done using the private browsing section, you can go back to the normal mode by tapping on the tabs icon over here, then tap on tabs. Now from here, just open a new tab in the normal section. And by doing that, you will close the private browsing on your iPhone. But the tabs you have opened in private browsing will remain open in the private browsing section. Now, if you want to close the tabs after you have done using the private browsing section, just tap on the tabs icon and go to private. And from here, just tap on the X icon on the tabs which you want to remove. Now, as you can see, all the tabs have been closed. Now, after you close all the tabs, just tap on tabs over here to go to the normal mode. And by doing that, you will close all the tabs in your private browsing section. And this is how you can use private browsing on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.